Hi! As an RF engineer, one of the most exciting parts of my job is dealing with GIS data. So, there's an RFP we're responding to, and I'm working on the project. It's a large mixed service area that includes urban, suburban, even a little rural. And I need to model the area, which means sourcing land use and terrain elevation data. I search online because when you're working on a very important system worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, you most definitely want to risk it all on free data you've downloaded from the internet. But we've all been there, right? Maybe you go to a government site because you figure that downloading data from the government will mean it's reliable. Pro tip: that data is old, not resolute, and not accurate. Seriously, ever used a database that categorized a park as developed high intensity, residential as commercial, a forest as a parking lot? I mean, a f***ing forest as a parking lot? You know exactly what I'm talking about. You end up spending even more time carving the data and manipulating it to try to get it looking somewhat realistic until you end up wondering if you're an RF engineer or a GIS person. And the really sad thing is, that may actually be the best case scenario, because every single one of us who has ever tried to download and convert this data has spent an entire day going through the excruciatingly painful process while putting your entire life on hold, and emails and calls piled up more and more until you finally reach what is the end of that dreadful task, but instead of your eureka moment, you are greeted with an error message and you realize you're going to have to start the entire process all over again, and you just want to... But there is another way, right? You can buy custom data, I suppose, if you want to, I don't know, sell a vital organ or two. Not only does custom data usually cost more than a kidnapper's ransom, it also takes forever to be delivered. And when I've got a boss over here breathing down my neck and customers over there waiting for deliverables, I'm in a tight spot. What year is this? If I can get my groceries delivered within the hour, I should be able to get my data instantly. Introducing Cirrus data from EDX, the high-resolution data subscription service. Let me show you how it works. The Tile Selector application gives you instant access to high-resolution data for any location in the United States and Canada. You simply choose the area you need and download it for use in any of your projects. The hybrid clutter provides land use data with resolution as high as 1 meter, so you get databases that look like this instead of that. And you don't have to spend any time manually manipulating databases. Plus, the data is updated regularly, so as long as you have a subscription, you will always have the most current information available. Cirrus data subscriptions are flexible. You can subscribe to the entire US, all of Canada, a particular state, or just a certain service area. And each subscription includes all of the data you need to complete any network design. Did I mention the data is available instantly? So not only does that mean better responsiveness to customers, improving your business bottom line, winning more RFPs, and spending your time focusing on engineering rather than GIS, it means more of this and less of that. Contact EDX to learn how Cirrus data will help you focus on productivity and growth.